a fixer-upper. Buying a fixer-upper can be incredibly appealing. It offers a chance to create a home that reflects your unique style, often at a lower price than a move-in ready house. And it can be a great way to enter a desirable neighborhood and increase the property's value through renovations. Plus, transforming a neglected space can be deeply satisfying. However, fixer-uppers come with potential pitfalls. Renovations can quickly become expensive and time-consuming with unforeseen issues like structural problems or outdated systems, adding to the cost. Obtaining permits, hiring contractors, and sourcing materials can be stressful and lead to delays often. So, thorough research and detailed budgeting are essential before starting. Consult professionals to assess the property and estimate repair costs. Allocate a contingency fund for unexpected expenses like outdated electrical or plumbing systems, or the presence of hazardous materials like mold. Definitely consider the time and effort required, as renovations can be physically and emotionally draining. Despite the challenges, a successful fixer-upper project can be immensely rewarding, increasing property value and equity. However, balance your vision with potential return on investment, especially if you plan to sell. So a fixer-upper can be a dream project or a money pit, depending on your preparedness and ability to navigate challenges that come up. If this intrigues you, reach out for a casual conversation about your goals and desires. I'll see you guys next week.